The first experiment we're going to be doing words. Greetings, FLEETtv. Super good to see you again. My name is Raisa, and I'm going to be your host today for a very special episode of FLEETtv. Now, normally we tend to talk about the science that we can see here on this channel, but today we're diving a little bit deeper, digging into those building blocks of the world around us and exploring a little bit of nanoscience. Now, our first fleetster in the field today is going to be Alex, and she's going to be showing us the impossible science of holding a bubble. Now, usually you can't hold bubbles and they burst and you're sad. But Alex is going to show you how you might be able to.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of FLEETtv. My name is Alex, and today we are going to be doing something crazy. We are going to be holding a bubble. I know, right? Crazy. You're like, Alex, I've tried holding a bubble before. It never seems to work. Why now? Why is this going to work? I'm about to show you. So what we'll need for this demo, we're actually going to need 1 tablespoon of glycerin. We're going to need 1 cup of dish soap, and you're going to need about 6 cups of water. So I already have my bubble solution made here. We're gonna go ahead and try our regular, just try to hold the bubble. My hands are nice and clean. We're just gonna try it out, see if maybe it works. You're like, Alex, I've tried this multiple times. All right, you guys beat me. It doesn't work. The reason why this doesn't work is because we have natural oils in our hand. No matter how clean your hand is, the oil in our hands is gonna actually break up the soap particles in our bubble. You also may be thinking, Alex, sometimes I don't even touch the bubble and it just breaks in the air. The reasoning for that is because gravity is gonna actually pull all of the water molecules to the very bottom of our bubble, and it causes it to pop because the top layer of our bubble becomes very weak. So here we go. Gonna get your soap solution. Gonna go ahead and get ready, blow a bubble. So you guys might be wondering why the glove seems to work compared to our hands. So like I said earlier, is that our hands hold oils that cause the bubble to burst. As for when you're wearing a cotton glove, the small fibers in the glove aren't big enough that it's gonna cause the bubble to burst. That allows the bubble to actually be bounced on your hand, or you can hold it on top of the glove as well. So that's gonna be the end of our demo today. Thank you guys for watching FLEETtv. We'll see you guys next time.
All right, that is definitely going on my list the next time I have bubble solution around. What sorts of explorations could you do trying to hold your bubble? Could you try to make bubbles of different shapes or out of different materials? Try it out at home and let us know how it goes. All right, next up, Andrew is going to be showing us how we can explore some of the tiniest parts of our world, maybe even smaller than a drop of water, using a microscope that we can build right at home.
Hi everyone, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to do a really cool experiment about microorganisms. So before we get started, a quick word of caution. Please do not look directly at the laser pointer. If you're going to do this experiment, do it with adult supervision and do it with caution. So today, I went down to a pond in Balboa Park that's teeming with life, whether it be lily pads or koi fish. However, what a lot of people don't know is there's a lot of organisms in the pond that we can't actually see. The experiment we do today is going to be observing those microorganisms. Usually we do this with a microscope, but unfortunately we don't have one. Lucky for us, we can do it with just a laser pointer and a syringe. Now let's get started. So what I'm doing now is taking a droplet of water from the pond and putting it into the syringe. Once I have that, I adjust the laser pointer directly on the droplet of water in the syringe. So what you're seeing on the wall here is actually tiny single-celled microorganisms from the pond I visited earlier. The reason you're able to see them at this large of a size actually has to do with light refraction. You see, when we shine the laser through a droplet of water in the syringe, the light actually refracts through the water-air interface. Because of the concave shape of the water droplet, the image you see on the wall here is actually magnified. In this way, the water droplet actually acts like a regular lens would in a microscope. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Fleet TV, and I hope you have a great day.
All right, hopefully our Fleetsters in the field have got you thinking, and just in case they haven't, our Fleetster Mike is going to be sharing some thoughts of his own.
I wonder if we could use carbon nanotubes to build an elevator from Earth to space.
All right, Fleet TV, I hope you have had a wonderful time exploring impossibly small science with us today. Until next time, or if you do any experiments or have any science questions you want to let us know about, make sure to reach out to us on all of our social medias. But until the next video, my name is Raisa, and this is Fleet TV. Have a good one.